If you've ever wanted to start painting, but weren't quite sure where to begin, you're not alone. A lot of people feel excited about painting at first, but then quickly feel overwhelmed. There are so many materials, techniques, and tutorials out there that it can be hard to know what actually matters. And that's usually where frustration starts. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because no one has shown you a simple, clear path forward. So let's slow this down for a moment. Take a breath. That's exactly why we created something different. At Acrylic Arts Academy, we offer free acrylic painting challenges that are designed to guide you step by step in a way that actually makes sense. Instead of trying to learn everything all at once, you'll focus on one small important skill at a time. When you join one of our challenges, you'll receive one lesson per day by email. Each lesson is simple, focused, and easy to follow, so you can build your skills without feeling overwhelmed. And the best part is, you can go at your own pace. There are no deadlines, no pressure, and no expectation that everything has to be perfect. You can take your time, revisit lessons whenever you need to, and truly enjoy the process of learning. We currently offer 3 different challenges, each designed to help you grow in a slightly different way. Let's start with Brush Bootcamp. This is a great place to begin. This challenge focuses on one of the most important and often overlooked parts of painting: how to actually use your brushes. You'll learn simple techniques that help your brushwork feel more natural, more controlled, and more intentional. From there, many painters move into our landscape painting challenge. This is where things really start to come together. You'll learn how to create depth in your paintings, how to place contrast, and how to build a scene so it feels more realistic and dimensional. If your paintings have ever felt flat or not quite right, this is usually the missing piece. And if you're drawn to ocean scenes, our Seascape Painting Challenge is a beautiful next step. In this challenge, you'll learn how to paint water, how to show movement, and how to capture light in a way that feels calm and natural. Each of these challenges is designed to help you understand what you're doing as you paint, not just follow along without knowing why. Because once things start to make sense, painting becomes so much more enjoyable. It becomes something you look forward to, instead of something that feels frustrating or confusing. And that's really what this is all about. Not perfect paintings, but a creative process that feels good to come back to. Take a moment here. Imagine what that could feel like. Thousands of painters have already started this way, and you can too. You can join any of our free acrylic painting challenges today. We've included the link below so you can get started. And whenever you're ready, we'd love to paint with you.